Well, here we are at Lush in Croydon, and we're here for the second part of our campaign against palm oil. Last time we focused on the orangutans and other animals who are losing their forest homes because of palm oil expansion. This time we're focusing on the people who call the forests homes. So we're asking people to actually come into our store window. We're asking that they come and stand in this family tree. This is in essence a living petition to a company called Kina, who are responsible for deforestation and planting palm oils in Indonesia. We're advocating on behalf of the Orang Rimba people who live in the forest that Kina is trying to cut down. Once we've got all of these wonderful photographs of people standing in our family tree, we'll find an innovative way to deliver them to Kina. We spent time with the Orang Rimba in Sumatra, where they live. We went into the forest with them, we spent the night, we heard about how they live, about their culture, and the fact that they really do want to stay in the forest. This is where they call home. And all around them they've seen forests chopped down to make way for ever-expanding palm oil plantations. And they're really asking for help. They're asking for people to speak up on their behalf. Two companies like Kina, who are the ones responsible for deforestation in Indonesia. And of course, Lush are doing their bit as a company and have started removing palm oil from their products. So all of the soaps that we have are made from our innovative palm-free base. And we're not stopping there. We're going to try and get rid of all palm oil and encourage other companies to do the same, to protect the forests in Indonesia and the people and the animals that live there. So the palm oil campaign is an ongoing one for us, not just here in the UK, but all over the world. We're going to be running this campaign in North America, Japan, Australia, all over Europe. So please get involved wherever you live. And if you can't make it to one of our stores, you can always find out how you can help by going on to lush.co.uk/palmoil, and we'll keep updating you with information as the campaign progresses.